everyone, I'm Marius from MD Cars and Stories, and today we are at Salon Prive.
Prive. Prive.
Prive? It's a car event. We have a lot of supercars, a box, and a lot of ideas. Let's go!
This is running 620 brake horsepower,
Right.
0 to 60 in 3 seconds, top end 210 miles an hour. This is a V10.
It's V10.
V10 normally aspirated.
Alright, the sound will be amazing, right?
Yes.
Right, we have the challenge with the question.
Oh, go on.
So you can pick one of these questions. Your biggest joy in life and why?
Driving, because it makes you feel free. If
Yeah.
you can drive and smile, that's the main thing.
Especially if you drive in a car like this,
Yes,
yeah?
that does
Yeah.
help.
Right, I'll read it for you. How do you think a car will look like in the next 10 years?
Going to be electric, possibly flying.
Possibly flying, but it'll look the same like now or will be like different form? Or...
No, they're not going to look the same.
And what do you think about the money as well now? Will be the same or will be digital money?
Oh, I have no idea. I haven't even
Definitely
thought.
digital money. So you are a crypto guy, yeah?
It's going that way already.
Yeah,
I know,
it is, yeah.
I think the same, yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Cash will be gone.
Yeah, no cash.
I don't see any point for cash anymore.
You'll have a chip in your wrist and you'll just pay.
No, you just pay. Oh.
That's how you'll pay.
And if you don't pay in time, they'll cut your finger, is it?
Yeah, that's it. It's shot.
Right. Can you describe us your car?
This is my Aston Martin DB11.
Right.
It's got number plate DB11, so
DB11, Dag, nice.
quite neat. It's 5.5 litres. It's 600 brake horsepower. It's the fastest DB ever made. So it does 200 miles an hour.
Right.
Not that I've driven it that fast. And it was a 50th birthday present to myself.
This was a present for yourself.
Yeah.
You don't get a present too often like this, you know?
No.
So do you have a rough idea how much will be the price for it?
Oh yeah, no, because I bought
Yeah?
it from new. So you get very little change out of £200,000.
Oh, only 200,000 pounds.
Only yeah. There's a few cars around here cost a lot more than that.
Yeah, but
Even some Aston Martins.
I think is a good option for 200,000 pounds.
Yes.
You know, I'll wait for a gift like that. You know, in the future. Right. So I have a challenge. You need to pick one of the questions, and I can read it for you if you want, and you can answer.
What means for you a good business idea?
What means for you a good business idea?
Car wraps are actually.
Car wraps. So,
yes.
so you're a Yanimais fan, yeah?
This is wrapped, but I
Is
doing
it?
Yeah, it is wrapped on clear. But I know where there's little dirt starting to get underneath it, so it's a shame that the wrapping company can't do a better job.
You know Yanimais?
No.
That's one of the best rappers in UK.
Right, I'll have to look that up.
He's as well a big YouTuber. I love it. You're rapping it.
If my day was any better, I wouldn't be able to stand it. It's amazing.
It is, yeah?
Yeah.
Max level.
Max level.
All
Max
the time. Describe your car in 2 words.
In 2 words.
Yeah.
My God.
Oh, nice. My God. And yeah, we noticed in the reg plate. We'll try to record it. We won't say it, but it's a nice reg plate, yeah. Right. It's the challenge now. You need to pick up one question.
One question.
Yeah. Can be anything. Nothing too personal, but
Okay.
let's see.
Let's go with this one. Can a book influence your life or reading into the future, probably online or ebooks? I would say some books can influence you, can influence your life. They can make you more positive, make you want to strive to be better.
Do you want to pick another one?
Yeah, let's go with another one.
You may be lucky with the next one.
With the next one, right? Okay. The best decision you ever made
Oh yeah, yeah.
was Marrying my wife.
Oh, nice. You wanna say again?
Kath? Best decision I ever made. You.
That's straight on the camera, so nobody can say anything, you know?
33 years of bliss.
You know, Salon Prive is always, I come year after year, it's a great event, big turnout. This is the new 992 GT3 Porsche. They've been out for about 6-7 weeks.
Yeah.
Mine's one of the first UK cars.
What was the price?
I think new this was about 150,000.
Yeah.
But I wasn't selected to buy it from Porsche, so I had to pay a big premium to secure the car. The car is fantastic. It is everything what the reviews say. It's a great car, drives good. It's got the ceramic brakes, it's got the Club Sport pack, so it's got the carbon fiber racing seats. A fantastic car. Pick a question, huh?
Question for MD Cars and Stories. Your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to be content. Everything needs to be in the correct balance. So your work, your family, your home, your business, your social, everything needs to be in a correct balance.
It's very hard to do that.
It's very hard, but once you fine tune it,
you'll go all the way with it, yeah?
Yeah, you can go all the way with it.
I think that's the secret of success.
Absolutely correct.
This is an Audi R8 V10, so it's got the Lamborghini 5.2 engine in it, engine and gearbox, with all the German technology from the Audi side, so you've got the best of both. You've got the Italian engine and drive and all the comfort from the Germans. Price-wise, you can pick one of these up for under 50,000. It's a 200-mile-an-hour car, so basically this is entry level into the supercar world.
Yeah, right. Okay.
But you're getting quality and reliability. What car do you like the most?
Ah, no way. So should I guess, is it? This R8.
Funny enough, it's this R8 here.
Yeah.
A 650S. Spotted it in March for sale.
650S.
650S.
That's a powerful car.
Yeah, it's been stage 1 modded, a little bit of extra power.
So how much power is it?
It's still running at around 670 horsepower, but lots of extra mid-range.
Right.
Surprisingly, a really nice vehicle.
It's not surprising.
Well, it is. It's a nice road car, which we weren't expecting, so that's a bonus.
Yeah, everyone says about the S especially, you know.
Yeah, the road ride is brilliant. It's a nice vehicle to travel in, so we're starting to do more and more events like this now.
How much will be the price for this car?
I think new it was about 260, 270.
At the end now, if you want to pick one of my questions.
You choose, George.
You choose. What is your biggest joy in life and why?
It's got to be driving. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, perhaps I'm a control freak.
All right.
I like to be, precision thing. It's, I like the learning curve of working with new vehicles. Yeah. That's why I do a lot of circuit work. I like it.
I was asking somebody else, it was with Porsche, I think, a few minutes ago, and he had the same question like you, and he answered the same.
Yeah.
Driving. He said when he's feeling stressful or he had a bad day, he just...
you focus.
And that's it, go.
Yeah.
Thanks
good
a lot.
for them. Thank you.
Have a good day. Nice to meet you.
Ferrari F12, 6.3 litre.
Is this a super fast?
No, it's the one below the super fast. They did the F12, then they do the 812 super fast. So this is the F12. So same engine, 6.3 litre, 740 brake horse.
What would be the price on this car?
Brand new, this one was about 250. They're around about 180, 190,000 at the moment.
And what would be the mileage?
This one, 25,000.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
You don't drive it a lot.
No.
It's a different, I don't know, it's a different shape than a usual Ferrari.
It's it's a GT car, not a sports car. It's more of a GT car.
I have the magic box. So you know what we'll do? I have a question for you and a question for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So nobody will fight then. Yeah. Right.
Shall we? Go on then. Did you ever fail? How do you find motivation to start again? Well, everybody fails at something, don't they?
Yeah. So give us an example.
Probably probably just failing at work and something like that. You know, I had a particular job I had to do and I failed. So then I just sort of took a step back, rethought it, and then did it.
But you have the power to start again.
Yeah, start again.
Yeah. That's a secret.
Everybody will fail. You know, you've got to fail at something. We can't be a success at everything, can we?
So we're not perfect.
No, nobody's perfect.
We just try to look perfect sometimes, but we're not perfect.
There you go. Your turn.
Right. Okay, I'll take this because she'll take the same then. So you need to give an advice for the people they just start their first business or they thinking to start a business.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. You choose a hard one, but you need to give them an advice. You can help her if you want.
Yeah, well, we did it because I started my own company and everything, so it's just having the guts to do it. Get as much information you can as what you're going to be doing. You know, if you're setting a business to buy cars or whatever, try to sort of research what you're going to be doing and then just go for it. Just keep informing yourself, you know, try to look for new ways of doing things and stuff like that.
Yeah, that's a good answer then. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
See you next time, and I hope you'll enjoy your day here.
So this is a limited edition Aston Martin Concord. Well, it's called the Aston Martin Concord edition. Yeah,
like
so
the airplane, like
the airplane. So basically, it's brake on the side. It's actually recycled aluminium from Concord. So this is a recycled aluminium. Then you've got the Concord shape on the front.
Nice. And what's that G both means?
So basically, there was 20 Concords in total that were built. 10 of them were built in France, and 10 of them were built here in the UK. Yeah. They were actually built in Bristol.
Yeah, so I'm from Bristol.
Oh, you're from Bristol? So me too.
You're from Bristol?
Yeah.
Such a small world.
So this, the aircraft registration, each of the 10 that they built has the aircraft registration of one of the 10 they built.
So that's the meaning.
So this one, which is BOAF, is actually the Concord that's in the Bristol Museum now.
Right. Yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah. So this is the registration for that
I'm shocked now because it's such a small world, you know. Yeah. Right. Yeah. And how much is the price for a car like this?
I think this one retailed for 336,000.
That's quite expensive.
Yeah, not a cheap car. But this is the DBS Superleggera, so it's the the top line model, the DBS Superleggera.
So you'll have like the top of the range. Nice.
Yeah. So this is the top of the range.
Yeah.
But you have all the
carbon fiber
and if you look on the top, there's a big Concord logo on the top as well.
Nice as well, yeah. Oh, nice. I never knew about this.
No, I think it was because it was supposed to have been delivered October last year, but because of the whole COVID, it kind of get lost.
Yeah. So they're brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Right. So all this thing with Concord and Aston Martin is brand new.
Well, this is based on Aston Martin started, or Aston Martin Cambridge. Started a series called the Wings series. Yeah. So they did, the first one they did was called the Blades edition. Right. And it was based on the Blades aerobatic team. Yeah. So that was one of 5 cars.
One of 5?
Then, one of 5 cars. And then after that they did Spitfire edition, and that was one of 8 cars. After that, a bit later, they did the Red Arrows edition, and this is the 4th one in the series, basically.
Yeah, the 4th one in the series.
And I actually have all 4 of the cars.
You have them all 4?
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, that's nice. It's a nice collection.
Nice collection,
yeah, it's a nice collection and quite unique.
Yeah.
I have a box with a couple of questions. If you can pick one. Let's say you're 20 years old now, and all you've got is 5k in your pocket and a lot of dreams, but you're thinking like now, how would you start with only 5k in your pocket?
Work hard.
Work hard.
Work hard. That's the only way you can achieve this.
So if you work hard
and make your way up,
you can play hard.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Don't expect to get everything straight away. And if you got 5k, invest it in something.
Market,
when you're 20, when you're 20, if you invest money, you have to be prepared to lose it, right? If you're not prepared to lose it, then invest it into something safe. So
I know exactly what you mean. Yeah. You know, but we need to risk as well. So thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time and enjoy the time here. Thank you. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share this video with your friends so we can grow up and post more videos for you. That was all for today, guys. Don't forget, work hard, play hard. This is nice.